Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is one that is crucial for all first-time home buyers out there, even for repeat buyers: home inspection. What to expect during your home inspection, your first home inspection or repeat home inspection. So it can be a bit overwhelming if you're looking for a house and now you have to do home inspection. But listen, fear not. By the end of this video, you will be well prepared, confident about what to expect during your home inspection. First, hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. So before I dive in what to expect during your first home inspection or repeat home inspection, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will never miss out on any of the helpful home buying tips that I drop weekly. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you. Please drop me a comment, ask me a question. So let's get started. Why are home inspections so important for first-time buyers? This is, it doesn't matter even if you're a repeat buyer, but this is specifically for first-time buyer. Well, home inspection, they provide you a comprehensive examination of the property's condition, helping you, the home buyer, to uncover potential issues that may not be obvious during a casual showing. During a casual walkthrough, everything is looking good, but home inspection help you uncover certain issues. You want to think of home inspection as a health check-up for your future home. It's a snapshot of what is going on at that particular time. So it is a chance for you to identify any red flags and want to make sure you are making informed decision. So once you've made an offer on a house, the next step is scheduling a home inspection. So typically, once you make an offer and the offer is accepted, you want to schedule a home inspection. You want to do this within the time frame that is in your contract. It can be 7 to 10 days to complete a home inspection. This gives you time, this way, to negotiate repairs or price adjustment or closing costs based on the home inspection findings. Quickly, don't expect sellers to drop prices because of home inspection. So you want to make sure. Also, don't rush this process of doing the home inspection. You want to give yourself enough time to find qualified home inspector. When I say don't rush it, I'm not saying wait for a long time. You want to do your research, and you want to also plan to be there during the home inspection. This is actually a great opportunity for you to ask questions and gain a deeper understanding of the home that you're buying, and when you're speaking with a qualified inspector. So now let's discuss how to choose the right inspector, right? You want to look for someone that is licensed, experienced, part of a national or professional organization. They have it there, National Association of Home Inspectors. You also want to check online for reviews, ask for recommendations, ask your realtor to recommend home inspector. Remember, a thorough home inspector will examine the structure, system, and components of the home, giving you a comprehensive report on overall health, overall condition of that house. That's what a home inspector should do. So now let's talk about what actually happens during home inspection. What happens during home inspection? So a home inspector will come into the house. They will assess everything from the roof to the foundation and everything in between, including the electrical system of the house, the plumbing system of the house, the HVAC system. What is HVAC? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, and many more things in between, right? I always advise buyers, you may want to bring a notepad to jot down notes or a recording, but most importantly, do not be afraid to ask questions of the inspector. A good inspector will explain their findings. They will explain to you what they're finding and offer insights into maintenance and potential issues. So some issues just require maintenance and some are potential issues, hazard, health issues. A good inspector will let you know what these are. So let's discuss some common issues that are often uncovered during home inspections. These can include problems with the roof leaking, electrical wiring, right? The plug stuff in is tripping, it's not working. Leaks, plumbing leaks. Yes, I've seen so many during home inspection. There's a leak in the basement, in the bathroom. Pest infestation, right? Understanding these issues will help you make informed decisions about moving forward with the purchase or negotiating with the seller for repairs or just canceling the contract by itself. So once the inspection is complete, they should give you a detailed report. A good inspector will give you within 24 hours a detailed report with pictures of everything of what they found. So you want to take time to review it carefully. You have it in your hand. If significant issues are discovered, you may want to negotiate with the seller for repairs or a price reduction or a seller credit. I want you to know, remember, a home inspection is a valuable tool, right? It is a valuable tool for any buyer, especially for first-time home buyer. But it is not about finding the perfect house. There's no perfect house. It is actually about understanding what you're buying and making informed decisions. There are certain things that they will find that is not a deal breaker. You just want to know, and so you plan for it. All right, on future homeowner, that is a wrap on demystifying home inspections. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. You want to share it with fellow home buyers, and don't forget to subscribe to get more updates as I upload video and provide tips on home buying and your home buying journey. And remember, when it comes to buying your first home, your dream home, your upgrading or downsizing, contact KG in the DMV area and I will help you get this done. Until next time, happy house hunting.